welcome back. It's so good to see you. Today I'm going to be opening up Play by Sephora. This is a monthly subscription. It's $10 a month. It's plus tax. So I pay $10.70 every month. And it usually includes 6 sample sizes. First thing you always see, they usually have a little message, 50 play points. So you can use that at the store or online. And the theme this month is National Best Friend Day. So it's all about your best friend. These are their beauty BFF picks. And it also gives you a list of everything included, tips on how to use it, why it's your BFF apparently. This is the bag everything comes in. It is usually red. Last month was pink. And then at the back it says, "What are you waiting for? Open me." I'm not waiting for anything, Sephora. I'm gonna open you right now. If you're interested in any of the products that I mentioned, I'll actually put a link down below in the comments section. Moroccan Oil. And this is a protect and prevent spray. It's a leave-in conditioner spray. So that is what it looks like. It comes in 2 different sizes. There's a mini size for $13, or you can get the standard size for $30. The Coola Mineral Sunsilk Cream. My skin is all nice and washed. Oop, well that was fast. It smells nice. It better not stay white. Oh no, oh no. Maybe it's just me. Did I just turn ashy all of a sudden? Even though it kind of looks like I did. I hope not. I am very appreciative of the sunscreen. I like to protect my face and make sure it's nice and protected. Lord have mercy. Sephora is tripping. So full size of this runs $42. What? For sunscreen? And I'm pretty sure it made me ashy. Sold to Janiero. And this is a CoCo Cabana cream. Ooh, and it's exclusive for Sephora. Well, isn't that fancy? Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like coconut. And apparently it delivers intense hydration for up to 72 hours. I don't know what you're doing for 72 hours that you don't need to shower. Hopefully it doesn't smell good to bugs, because that would not be a fun time. I mean, it doesn't feel like an intense moisturizer. I mean, my hands look good. It's not oily. I am not mad at that. This you can get in 2 different sizes. There's a mini, which runs $20, and there's also a standard size, which runs $45. If you're curious about my eyes, I'll put a little daddy up there. Lancome CILS Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. Never actually used a mascara base before. And there it is. That's what it looks like. Do they look longer? So do they look longer? I really can't tell. But I can't tell the difference between just doing regular mascara and doing mascara with a base. They do look a lot more fanned out than usual, because usually they're all clumpy together. I'm not so sure. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? And this actually comes in 2 different sizes as well. There's a mini, which is double this, and that runs $13. The standard size runs $26. I swear these lipstick samples are like the cutest thing. Bite Beauty, and it's an Amuse Bouche lipstick in chai. It smells good and it tastes good. So this is what chai looks like. I like it. And the standard size of this runs $26. Carolina Herrera, and it's a fragrance. Just a nice little sample in there. Smells like perfume. Smells like an expensive perfume. I was right. It's an expensive perfume. Comes in 4 different sizes. $28, $68, $94, and $117. Goodbye!